Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. So a little bit of an update on the postal situation since last week. I'm kind of recording this kind of backwards because this is, I'm putting this at the beginning of the vlog, but actually I'm recording this at the end of the vlog, if you know what I mean. So today actually is Thursday, the 2nd of July, but I'm putting this here when it should go really in the 24th, 25th of June kind of section. But anyway, there's been an update. The local sorting office for our area is now back open again, but they still have a 1 to 2 week backlog of post. So I've received a parcel this morning that was sent out, posted on around about the 10th, or between the 10th and the 15th of June, and it's now the 2nd of July. So, and it's only travelled 150 odd miles or so. So if it's taken that long for post to travel within the UK because of lockdown and because of quarantine and because people are ill still, people are still dying here in the UK, we're not 100% clear of it yet. Even though things are starting to get back to normal, there are still major delays on the post. So even internally in the UK, things are taking 2 weeks longer than what they normally would do. So I'm presuming that things are still taking 2 weeks longer to even get out of the country. So even before they get on a plane and fly over to Australia or fly over to Europe or fly over to America or wherever, or Canada, there's still a 2 week delay in getting things out. And that was that was from one of the post staff that I spoke to yesterday. They were also delivering on Sunday, which they never do. So to try and get rid of that backlog. So like I said, I've received a parcel today that was sent out well over 2 weeks ago. So things may just start to speed up a little bit now, he says, fingers crossed. But that's just a little update for this week. I take it somebody's comfy.
Oh, very. Well, me or him?
Well, considering he's all tucked up.
Apart from one leg.
And just one leg hanging off
tail.
And a tail hanging off the side of the couch. You can't even tell he's there.
Well, I haven't got a tail and a leg sticking out.
Just in case anybody's wondering, he is wearing trousers. He's got shorts on.
I've got shorts on. They're a bit short, but they are shorts.
Hi, my name's Mike, and it's been 4 months since my last haircut. It's been a struggle. I've had to take every day, one day at a time. It hasn't been easy. There have been days when I have reached out and picked up a pair of scissors, but thankfully I've resisted the temptation and I've put them back again. But I couldn't have done it without the support of my family and my friends. So for that, I'm eternally grateful. Just a wee bit of fun there. There have been comments about how people are enjoying my longer hair, saying how it suits. Personally, I've always worn my hair shorter, but these last 4 months or so, I've kind of, sort of, been enjoying the long hair. That kind of swishy freedom. It takes more to look after. But it's, you know, it's one of those things. I'll probably will end up getting it cut short again, but, you know, because that's just me. I do like shorter hair, but hey ho. Anyway, it's 9:15 on Thursday, the 25th of June. And why am I telling you the date and the time, you may ask? Well,
I've left the house early because I have to stop off on my way to Mum and Dad's to buy a birthday card because it's Mum's birthday today. She is, and she won't thank me for telling you this, but she is 78 years old today. So I'm going over, I'm going to pick her up, and then I'm going to take her shopping, not only just for groceries, but I've also said I'm going to take her to a place that's also got a rather large clothing section, and I've told her that I will buy her for her birthday some new clothes because she hasn't been out the house for a while, and because she hasn't had that shopping experience for clothing, then that's what we're going to do today. So because I'm going to bring her back to one of the big shopping places, which actually is not that far away from the house, I thought after we've had shopping, I'll bring her back to the house, make her a cup of coffee, she can have a fuss with Mr. Bentley, and then I'll take her home again. So hopefully try and make it a little bit of a special day for her. When I go and buy the birthday card, I will also see if I can grab a bunch of flowers as well, just to take her, because I haven't physically got her a present yet because I'm buying her clothes today. Then I've got at least something to give her, as well as the card, if you know what I mean. Something from Mr. Bentley, if you like. So that's the plan for today. Just turn down the air conditioning. So it's another warm day today. The temperature currently is around about 22 degrees centigrade, which is around about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's already warm. There's not a cloud in the sky again today. It's another blistering day. Obviously I'm in the car, so it's even extra hot, so I've got the air conditioning on full blast, but I've just turned it down to talk to you because otherwise you'd never hear me. Okay, so card purchased, flowers purchased. Couldn't get into the post office because apparently they were having issues accessing the safe, so they've closed. So yeah, another pain in the bum, another post office delay. Just can't seem to catch a break at all recently with that kind of thing, but hey ho, it is what it is. Even though it's quite still, there's still a little bit of a breeze, isn't there?
Yeah, that looks good though, is it?
So have you enjoyed your little trip out this morning?
I have.
And your free clothes shopping?
I know. Nice little jolly
Yes.
with treats at the end of it.
Yes.
Plus lunch.
Plus lunch out indeed. Let's get the air conditioning on.
Oh God, I'm nafty.
Yeah. It's warm.
My bloody fan will be going full belt when I go in.
You see the new plants with all the grasses and look at the yellows?
Looks nice.
Yeah, I did that yesterday afternoon.
Looks nice. I like the lavender.
Yeah, so those are the grasses we got from Strawbridge's, and those yellow ones will fill those gaps.
Yes.
Very nice. And there's thunderclouds.
Good morning, one and all. We are having it Sunday. Is it Sunday?
It is Sunday. Sunday the 28th of June.
Say good morning to the peeps.
Morning, peeps.
We're having a trip out today. We're not going very far. We're going to B&Q, which is Home Depot in the US.
Or something similar.
It's only about 12 miles from home, but we haven't been since the lockdown, and we want to see what the queues are going to be like, so we can go again during the week.
Because yesterday was a washout. You saw the footage of the weather yesterday. Thunderstorms, you name it.
We didn't get wet though, Bentley and I. Oh, Bentley! There we go. So yes, we're having a drive there, then we're going to stop off at Dunelm, which is like a company that sells bedding, towels, materials, sewing supplies. I want some elastic. No, it's not for my knickers. And Mike would like to get some ribbon that he's just made a journal for somebody, so he needs the ribbon for that. So, oh, it started to rain again.
Yes.
Deep joy.
Yes.
Oh, and Mike says it's windy. Is it windy?
No, I'm not windy. The weather's windy.
You know, make of that what you will. I have found a rug. For the kitchen.
Possibly,
Yes.
depending on size.
It's a lovely colour. And Bentley's just got up and he's really quiet, and I think, yeah, there he is. He's sunbathing. Oh, you page 3 fella. Oh, look at that little face. He loves the sunshine, and it's another beautiful day today. Bless.
Good morning, everyone.
Alright.
It's Wednesday, 10:15 a.m. on the 1st of July. And Ian and I are on our way to Whitby, which is on the northeast coast of the UK, by the seaside, because Ian has a business appointment. I know. Amazing. He's going over to meet with one of one of the organisers of one of the steampunk events, to discuss business. So I'm coming with him. So hopefully we'll maybe be able to get down into the town centre and maybe do a little bit of filming around the harbour and that kind of stuff. So fingers crossed. The weather is kind of holding out. It's not. Well, it has rained a little bit this morning, hasn't it?
Yeah, I think it was like the Addams Family. We flew under a cloud and then it stopped again, which was nice.
So hopefully the weather will hold out and we'll manage to get down into the town and do a little bit of filming down by the harbour and where the boats are and that kind of thing. So fingers crossed.
Are you wistfully looking out of the window?
I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.